Hi, my name is Cheryl Turnquist, and I'm a teacher trainer for Power Pilates. This workshop is called Advancing Your Mat on the Spine Corrector. The description given for this workshop is, take your mat work to another level by adapting the exercises to the Spine Corrector. Using this apparatus will work more length and opening of the hips and shoulder girdle. This workout is great for clients looking to advance their practice. Clients should have a working knowledge of the small barrels and the Spine Corrector prior to using it for a full workout. Material needed would be a mat. We're using a raised mat or a tower mat, the Spine Corrector, and you may need some small pillows. I have two here of different sizes, one smaller and one a little bit larger. They're each about 2 inches thick. I'm using a pole. You may have a light-weighted pole, 1 to 2 pounds, or a non-weighted pole. And I do have a set of light hand weights that are 2 pounds each in case we decide to use those today. For this workshop, we're going to be taking the mat work from most likely the intermediate, a little bit of advanced, not all, and transferring it to the Spine Corrector, adapting it to the Spine Corrector. So again, you'll definitely want to be working with a solid intermediate towards advanced client, somebody that does not have any cervical or back herniations or issues, and someone that has had some familiarity with the small barrel and the Spine Corrector. So with that, we're going to get started.